Hey guys, Dan here, aka Dan the Laundry Man. We're here to answer all of your top questions about all things 2U Laundry. I'm here to actually answer your top question about how big are our laundry bags. So let's start. First, our small wash dry fold bag. This is perfect for about 1 to 2 people, holds 20 pounds of laundry and about 2 to 3 loads in your standard washer and dryer that you have at home. Second, our most popular, our large wash dry fold bag. This is perfect for a family of 4 or 5, holds about 30 pounds of laundry or 4 to 5 loads in your standard washer and dryer that you have at home. Look out. And last but not least, our wash and hang dry bag. This is perfect for about 8 to 10 delicate items depending on thickness and weight of material. So no pile of laundry is too big. We have a bag that fits any lifestyle. Now that's a reason to celebrate.